wash routines. Let's go! Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ada, and if you're new, thank you for watching. Today we're going to talk about cloth diaper wash routines. And the very first thing is keep it simple. Don't add a ton of unnecessary steps into your cloth diaper wash routine. The first step is going to be your pre-rinse. So you're going to take your diapers, which I have all of mine in this wet bag. And you're just going to dump them into your washer. And then what you want to do after you've dumped all your diapers out of your wet bag is you want to turn your wet bag inside out so that the inside gets clean. Okay, so now we have all of our diapers and our wet bag added to the wash. So now we're going to get on to the settings that you need for pre-rinse. Okay, so pre-rinse does not require detergent, so all you need to do is if your washer has a rinse and spin, you can set it to that. But if your washer does not have that setting, you can always set it to the quick wash or the shortest wash that your washer has. I like to set mine to warm, but you can also do it on cold and it works just fine. And then I set mine to heavy. And then you just want to click start. And then we'll be back after this. Alright, so now that our pre-rinse is finished, we're going to move on to the main wash. And the first thing you want to do in your main wash is you want to make sure that you use the proper amount of detergent. I honestly recommend getting Tide. We tried multiple cloth diaper detergents that were from different cloth diaper companies that recommend such a small amount, and none of them got our diapers clean. We ended up with barnyard stink and ammonia buildups, and it was just awful. Think of your diapers as what they are, heavily soiled, clothes. So you want to make sure that you use the recommended amount for a heavy soil level and the size load that you have. So you can use Tide or you can use Gain. Pretty much any commercial detergent works fine as long as it doesn't have any fabric softener kind of added into it. So if it says like Tide plus Downy or anything like that, like you don't want to use that. And I recommend getting the powdered kind because it always seems to clean better, especially in hard water, which we have hard water, and this, for the past 5 years with this wash routine, we've never had any issues. Definitely no DIY detergents. They are not detergents. Those are basically a mix of different soaps and OxyClean and stuff like that. They're not actually going to clean your clothes. A lot of people who have used DIY detergents on their cloth diapers are very upset when they end up ruining their cloth diapers and have like crazy buildup on them and all sorts of issues. Alright, so let's get to it. So because my box won't open! Okay, so now I've measured out the appropriate amount of detergent for the load size I have, and then also because it's an HE washer. So this ended up being 3/4 cup, and you just dump it in. Okay, so now that we have our detergent in, we're going to go to the settings that you need. Okay, for your main wash, what you want to do is you want to set it to heavy duty. If you don't have heavy duty, whites also works, because that's what I did on my last washing machine because we didn't have heavy duty. And then you want to set it to hot. You can pretty much set it to cold, warm, hot. It's kind of a personal preference. I like hot. But do be aware that with continuous washes on hot, it can wear out your elastics faster. And then you wash it on heavy because it is a heavily soiled load. And I don't do any extra rinses, so I just do the one rinse that it has. Because we have hard water, and when we have rinsed them extra times before, it has caused minerals to redeposit onto our diapers. And then you just want to press start. And then once this runs, then we'll get them in the dryer. Now it's time to dry. Alright, so now our main wash is done. So the last thing we have to do is dry them. So what you want to do is just take all your stuff from your washer, stick it in your dryer. You can also line dry them if you have a clothesline or a drying rack. But also make sure that where you live allows for that. Because I know our HOA doesn't like clotheslines. Okay, so now that we have all of our diapers in the dryer, you can add dryer balls, which will speed up the dry time and then also make your diapers fluffy. You can add essential oils to them if you like a scent on your diapers, but definitely don't use dryer sheets because they can coat your diapers and cause repelling issues. Okay, so to dry your diapers, you just want to set it to medium. You can also do high, but I prefer medium because it's less wear on the diapers. Because, like I said before, constant high heat can actually wear out your elastics. But it is perfectly fine for your PUL, all that, to be ran on high heat. So all you want to do is just turn your dial up or whatever your settings are to run your dryer, and then just hit start and you are good to go. Alright, so that is our cloth diaper wash routine. If you guys would like to know how to sanitize your diapers or how to get rid of stains, just comment below and I'll definitely get on making those videos. Also, make sure to leave this video a like, and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell so you get notified when I upload my next video. Bye!